Hello friends, welcome to Fun Friday. Okay, so my today's video is really very useful and it is specially for the people who are into photography and all the YouTubers there. So today I am going to show you how to make a light box. For the people who don't know what is light box is something actually you get light on your face from. So this is what photographers use and it is really very expensive, which a startup or a starter or someone who has literally started now can't afford. So you can make it obviously. So without wasting time, let's go to the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and subscribe if you are new to my channel and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And I hope you guys know that I'm uploading new videos every Monday, Friday and Sunday. And don't forget to like, share and comment. Please do comment below what further videos you would love to see. And you can contact me anytime on my social media. Links are given in the description box. Bye bye.